Hey everyone, Barrister Glenn here. Our helicopter just crashed, the sandstorm's approaching, we're almost out of water. Sounds like it's time to play some Forbidden Desert. Welcome to Forbidden Desert. In this cooperative game, we are working together to try to uncover this ancient city lost in the desert so that we can find the parts of this flying machine, put it together, and escape. Because there's currently a sandstorm billowing through the area, and the sandstorm keeps getting worse and worse. And as it moves around the board, it's going to pile more and more sand, making it harder for us to uncover the city and harder for us to move. And at the same time, there's also the sun, which is constantly getting hotter and hotter, meaning we have to drink more of our precious and ever-dwindling water supply tracked on our character cards. If it ever reaches 0, we lose the game. If the storm ever reaches the top of its track here, we lose the game. The only way we can win this game is by working together to find those parts and get out of here before we die or are buried in the sands forever. I love this game. I love the fact that it's just constantly changing all the time because you don't know. The storm is moving randomly around the board as you draw cards, and as it moves, it's dumping more sand. And yes, you might get some great equipment like the Dune Blaster, which says, oh, I can just get rid of all that sand, but then the storm moves around and it adds more sand to the board, and all of a sudden you're buried even more, and it keeps adding more sand until there's too much sand, and now we can't do anything, and we're trying to uncover stuff, and it's just not working. You're always having to adapt and change to what's going on in the game and working together so that you can keep each other alive and keep yourselves moving through the desert. This makes it one of my absolute favorite games because you never know what's going to happen on your turn. So I love Forbidden Desert. I love the fact that I never know what to expect. I'm constantly going to change and adapt. And that's what I love about games. I love when they're unpredictable and I can't just know ahead of time what every move is going to, do for me. So if this video makes you think Forbidden Desert is a good fit for you, hit the subscribe button. If you want to talk to us live in the store, check out our virtual barrister. And until next time, keep playing those games.